GMPlay, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy any level of
Geometry Dash
with a mod app. But before I start, I came to warn you that more than 90% of people are not yet subscribed to this channel here, so if you like this video, take the opportunity to subscribe. And now, let's start the video.
Now you need to search in your favorite browser for this link that is on the screen. And now you click on download. This app supports these devices. I won't download it because I had already downloaded and installed it before. But anyway, let's to next step. Now that you have opened the game, you will click on the Geo button. Click on downloads. And then you will drag down until you find this mod. The install button won't appear for me because I had already installed the mod. But after installing the mod, the prism button will appear up here. Now I'm going to show you an example level.
Later.
For example, this level does not allow to copy, right? So let's click on the prism button. Click on creator. And then you will be leaving the second option activated. Now let's go out on the level and enter again to see the result. Now you can copy the level for free.
So, thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you to next tutorial video. Bye.